Do you know how one can review and sign documents using DocuSign? This video is brought to you by Software Horsepower, where you can get the best enterprise software for your business. Let's get started and learn how the receiver will review the document and sign the copy of it. To begin with, you just need to open the inbox and click on the mail you have received. Now, just click on the review document. Once you click on the review document, the document is uploaded. Here, you need to agree with the consent and start filling the field. So, let's agree with the consent and click on Continue. Once you have clicked on Continue, just start from where you need to fill up the information. Here you need to sign the document, for which you can click on the signature. If you are a first-time user of DocuSign, you'll be asked to adopt from the pre-drawn signatures. You can just adopt any pre-drawn signatures from the options here. Or else you can also draw a signature of your own choice like this. Also, you can upload the image of the signature from your laptop or any device. Let's select the pre-drawn signature here. Once the pre-drawn signature is selected and adopted, just click on Adopt and Sign. Once you have adopted the signature, you need to copy it. After copying, now you can click on the initial. It will be copied and one needs to write down the name and then fill in the necessary details. Click on the Finish button once it is done. You may be asked if you want to set up a free DocuSign account. You can either sign up or skip the part, but it makes managing your documents easier by using DocuSign. Just click on No, thanks. Once the document has been signed, all the recipients will receive the copy of the mail on their mail IDs. Signing with DocuSign is simple, easy, reliable and secure. For a free 30 days trial, head to the link below. Contact Software Horsepower and book a demo. Visit softwarehorsepower.com.